This is the Sjöbergs Scandi. The Sjöbergs Scandi series of workbenches are perfect for the discerning woodworker. Designed for the heavy-duty work demanded by the professional woodworker or serious craftsman. The top is constructed with full-length single-piece laminations of knot-free European beech for maximum strength, without any ugly joints, with a depth of 38 millimeters or 1.5 inches in the center, and a skirt of 110 millimeters or 4.25 inches. The top is extremely strong. The Scandi workbenches are available in two lengths, 1,850 millimeters or 73 inches and 1,450 millimeters or 57 inches. There are two rows of 3/4-inch dog holes working from the front vise and tail vise that permits a wide variety of clamping options. Supplied with 4 bench dogs with side springs to ensure that they stay at the desired height, they automatically adjust to non-parallel workpieces. The optional quick-action hold-fast ST11 clamps around 360 degrees in any dog hole or in the trestle legs for clamping large boards or doors. The self-adhesive cork rubber jaw cushions can be fitted to protect your workpiece and the jaws of the vise. A heavy-duty steel anvil can be fitted into any dog hole for metalworking and preventing damage to the top. A storage module is available with matching beech from drawers and cupboard SM03 with extra storage space on top of the module. Another option, SM07 is open-fronted for easy access to your tools.